Tell me you love me, baby. Oh, that's the sweetest sound. Tell me how much you need me. Make my world go round. Ain't no competition. No one can compare.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another reaction video, and today I'm back with another one who is also not new to my channel, Miss Diana, Ankudinova. Now, the song we are going to showcase for you guys is Blizzard. It's actually my first time hearing it, so I'm going to be listening to it along with y'all. So, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications. That way you know if I want to post. Comment down below any more suggestions y'all would like to see from me, and we're going to get right on into this video. Do not mind my hair. It's due to my headphones. Okay, let's go. I like the background. Intense. Okay.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Тихо, саваном белым вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Тихо, саваном белым вьюга, где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Кружит белая вьюга, тихо ходит зима. Слышишь, как замерзаю снова я без тебя.
Oh my gosh. Did y'all guys hear that? That was just incredible, phenomenal, beautiful, spectacular. She sings with so much passion. You can see it on her face as she sings. Her facial expressions just draws you in. Is deep and passionate, and what's not to love about her? Like, her voice is truly going to take her far, and it's only going to go up from here. Like that, first time hearing it, I enjoyed it, even though I don't speak Russian, but it was still good. It got you to the point where it captivates you, to draw you in, to just sit and take it in. Like the judges were in awe as well. Like, as soon as she opened her mouth, She got a buzzer like, what? You know you got to give when you get right off the bat a buzzer. Like, come on now. That was amazing. Truly phenomenal. So, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this reaction. Y'all enjoyed this video. Shout out to the supporters who wanted me to react to some more Diana songs. I got you. So, guys, if y'all like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't, please give it a big thumbs down. The choice is yours. Comment down below any more suggestions like y'all would like to see from me. If y'all want to see any more Diana's songs, please hit up my comment section. It's open for you guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. That way you be notified when I post. And until next time, we are out of here. Peace.